Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open an account with OANDA broker. First thing I want you to do is just go to their website, go right here, it says ready to open a trading account, right? Say whether or not you live in the Philippines. If you do, go hit yes, confirm and continue, and then fill in your personal details, your family name, given name, date of birth, things like that, country, region, email, phone number, right? Things like that, and then hit confirm and continue. Then they'll ask you about your citizenship, whether it's Filipino or not, and then you need to give your identification number. Are you a tax resident in any other country? Right? If you're not, hit no, confirm and continue. They'll ask you for your residential address. So type this one in. Okay, provide all of these details. Hit confirm and continue. They'll ask you about your employment status and financial details. Fill these in. Okay, your source of trading funds, things like that, savings and investments. Hit confirm and continue. Confirm that the details are correct, confirm, and you'll get your application, and then they'll review it before your account can be activated. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.